there are many in this. I'm thinking that these crowns will be really fun on our little mirrors. These are the different mirrors, and they come from the wood cutout kit. You guys, so let's get started. What I did, we'll start with these. What I did is I took these and I painted them front and back, okay? I went ahead and I painted them pink. I'm gonna add some other color to them, but I have some affirmations. I want to make some affirmations to put in my bathroom. So when I'm just not feeling that great that day mentally in the space I need to be in, I can grab one of my affirmations out of a little crystal dish. So these are some printables that I made.
Lisa, Corey.
Okay, so look. I am grateful for many blessings in my life. I love that. Okay, so I'm just cutting these out. These are printables that I made to go in these little wooden mirror frames. Now guys, you could glue a mirror in these. I love that. There you go.
You need a princess up here?
Oh my gosh, yes, bring her over here. I'm capable of creating a life filled with abundance and prosperity. Y'all, I have to remind myself. This one said, I'm constantly learning and growing. And then we have one more. Okay, and this one says, I trust that everything happens for a reason. Is that not a great reminder to trust that? Okay, so I want a crown on this one, and I think this is the crown I'm going to go with. Crown up. Let's do this. We're going to let this dry before we put anything else on this one. Oh, look at how sweet that one is.
We were in Dallas. Becky, I'm sorry. I tried to fax over my schedule and it didn't go through. But I'll do it. I love her. She's my people.
Okay, let's see. Okay, let's do some more. I know all of these are going to get crowns now that I have some pliers to take these off. Several times. Look at how precious that is. Stop it. I'm going to use some of these larger pink rhinestones. They come in all different sizes and shapes now. Okay, so I'm just going around this little mirror. This one. I actually have a little bit. This is called champagne. This is called extreme glitter. It's made by Folk Art. It's champagne. I'm going to glitter this up a little bit also.
Love the bench. Okay.
Look at that.
Karen Patrick, hello.
Look, these big rhinestones come in heart shape too. Love them. Look how cute this one is.
Karen Livingston certainly is watching.
Look at how blingy that one is. Glittery on these. Let's add a little something to this. Look at this.
You guys.
If I did one like that.
Let's give some.
We made. Oh my gosh, that is so blingy. I love that.
You're sitting on. It's not, it's a...
It's a banquette.
It's a banquette, yes.
Look at how sweet that one is. Oh my gosh, I'm loving these. Okay, so there's that one.
You know me so well.
There's this one. You guys could set these in a little dish or a cup. I probably would do a shorter cup. So, you guys,
Sharon's
remind yourselves how amazing you are.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.